Neda from Neda's Nummies, and today is a super gorgeous sunny day in Texas, and I am going to do a review video on tasty confetti no-bake dessert kits. Now, I found this at Walmart, decided to purchase it and give it a try. Now, we all are familiar with Tasty. They make all kinds of different recipe food videos all over the place. If you've been on YouTube, you've definitely seen a Tasty video. So we're gonna give this a try. It doesn't take many ingredients. I think it says just butter, sugar, and milk. And it doesn't say whether it's like a cheesecake or anything like that. It's just a no-bake confetti dessert kit. All right, I'm gonna get this package open. I'll be right back and we will make our tasty confetti dessert kit. Right, I am back and I have got my tasty confetti all opened up, my tasty confetti dessert mix that is all opened up, and what I found inside was 3 packets. One is the crust mix and it says number 1 on there, so we can mix that up first and press it into our pie plate. And the only thing that you need to do for this, I believe, is just add a little sugar and butter to it, and then it makes the crust. So the other thing is the step 2, which is the filling mix. I'm sure this is what's going to require the milk that they ask for, so we will mix that up here in just a moment. And lastly is the lovely sprinkles. Very colorful, pretty, big old packet of sprinkles. So let's get it open. Okay, first thing we're gonna add is 4 tablespoons of melted butter into our bowl. The next thing we're gonna do is open up our packet of graham cracker crumbs to mix in there, as well as adding in 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And I'm going to mix it up, as you see here, with the spoon at first until it's well incorporated. And then I'm gonna pour it into the pie plate and press it in there using my hands. I found that is the easiest way to do it. Got it in there and moved it up the sides just a bit as well, so there was some crust up the sides. So there you have it. The next thing we're gonna do is add packet number 2, which is the filling mix, and our 1.5 cups of cold milk. I'm gonna whisk it. You can also use a hand mixer, would go very much faster. If you did that, then you are going to add in most of the sprinkles, reserving a little bit for the top, and continue mixing until the mixture is nice and thick. Then we are going to pour it into our pie plate, and it is going to go into the refrigerator for at least an hour to allow the mixture to set up. You're also going to sprinkle the remaining sprinkles on top to give it a nice colorful sprinkled look. So it's gonna go in the fridge now. All right, our confetti dessert mix has been in the fridge for over an hour now, and it is all nice and set up just like you see there. Now I'm gonna give it a try. There's my bite. It's not really like cheesecake. It does have kind of just a creamy, custardy flavor to it. Confetti dessert mix. I guess that's the best way you can describe it. That's what they called it. That's what it is. Kind of like a vanilla pudding with sprinkles in it. I feel like this could be better if they added some sort of cream cheese to it to kind of give it a little bit of a of a cheesecakey kind of feel to it or taste to it. I'm not saying I don't like it. I think it does taste good. I think kids will like it. It's a kind of a simple flavor. Confetti, how can you go wrong, right? The crust tastes good. It's nice and buttery the way it should be. I feel like I should have expected a little bit more from Tasty. I don't know why, but that's how I feel. It's just kind of underwhelming. Not bad, just a little underwhelming. All right, there you have it.
You should give it a try for yourself. Check it out. I got mine at Walmart. I'm sure you could probably find them anywhere. And give them a try for yourself and see what you think. All right, let me know. Bye now.